Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel.
Wow, faceless video, okay. But anyways, I wanted to make this video for the cosplayers who are looking for reliable places to shop for cosplay online. My original idea was to go into depth about buying cosplay from AliExpress, but I figured why not just talk about buying cosplay online in general. But my first cosplay was from AliExpress and it took about a month to get delivered, which is probably like the longest I had to wait for cosplay to come in. But the trick with buying cosplay from online is to make sure that 1, there are reviews, 2, there's photos to show proof of the product. In the case of more mainstream websites like Sim Cosplay or Heroes Time, there's not really an option for like photos, but there are options for reviews. But I would also make sure to ask a fellow cosplayer about their experience with the brand. Hey, you can even watch one of my YouTube videos unboxing from Sim's Cosplay. I haven't bought anything from Heroes Time, but I am planning to buy something in the future, and there will be a review about that. Another reliable source would be checking Reddit. A lot of Reddit users will make posts about buying cosplays to help out other cosplayers from making the same mistakes as them or just to hype up certain brands. For custom cosplays, I don't have a lot of experience with, but I do have a custom suit coming in very soon. Hopefully all goes well, and there will be a video about that coming soon. Well, those are all of my tips and tricks for buying cosplay online. Hopefully it helps with your journey towards cosplay greatness. Bye!